Of the week. There are actually 4 because they're very very boring. C, H, J, K, and G. These are the last, not the last few stops. Right? I still have what is it? T. I still have B and D left to cover. I think I'll do them all in one too because they're both minus stops and yeah, it's still a bit interesting, but. C, H, J, K, and G are all stops. No, they're plosives. They're all plosives. How did it say stop is called? No, they're plosives. And stops and they're obstruents. Okay. Yeah, they're obstruents. I don't really know because K is a stop, G is a stop, but C, H, and J are affricates. And do plosives? Oh, there'll be a correction on that if plosives are actually a category that covers both stops and affricates. But yeah, these 2 are affricates. I realized I never actually explained what an affricate means. So what is an affricate? Well, an affricate is a stop that gets released into a fricative. So for example, CH in IPA is represented something like this. T, and then there's this thing, I think. Sorry on that. Right? So, yeah, you can see that. Okay, so what this means is that this is the first sound. This is the second sound. Right? What is this consonant? Have I done this backwards? That is not right. This is the SH sound. And this is the T sound. So essentially what happens when we say ch is that we start by saying the letter t, but as we get close to releasing the stop, we morph it into a fricative. We hold it in the open position as a fricative. Ch, ch, ch. And that's all, basically. So I guess I'll do like a property table. C, H, J, K, G. Affricate, stop, plosive, fortis, lenis. Right? CH is an affricate. CH and J are affricates. K and G are stops. They are all plosives. These 2 are fortis, and these 2 are lenis. Right, and those are the properties of the 4 consonants that we're talking about today. The reason I say they're boring is that they don't really have much mutation. They're all a lot further back in the mouth than p-t-k-d, sorry, p-t-b-d, right, which means that there's not really bless me. There's not really that much stuff that you can do with these consonants, especially K and G, right? There's absolutely nothing going on with K, with G. K is sometimes ejective in words, as the end of words, like in Mac, right? If I really emphasize it, Mac, not Mac, it's Mac. Maybe a bit further back it might be like too. But I actually should be erasing these. G is very boring. It basically never mutates. CH is our first digram. So what is a digram? It's exactly what it sounds like. It's 2 graphs or letters, if you will, that all represent one sound. So CH is ch, J is yo. Sorry, J is j. Right? And CH, J is just the Lennox version of CH. And in addition to that, yes, CH and J are strongly labialized. That means that when you pronounce CH, your mouth is very rounded, right? More rounded than you do in other languages. So instead of saying chew, you say chew. It's a very subtle difference to people who don't speak languages like, Welsh or Scottish Gaelic that have this labial distinction as like a phoneme, but it is, I've been told it's like a part of English, but trust me, people can tell the difference.